What's going on, guys? In this video, we're going to discuss the current interest rates and how it's affecting the markets and how you can profit from this. So what's going on, guys? Welcome back to The Country Investor. My name is Robert, if this is your first time tuning in. So today we are sitting in beautiful South Texas. We have my pond here behind me. It's a nice cloudy day, perfect weather, so I thought I'd shoot this video outside. That being said, I have to hold the mic now. It's all right though, I'll sacrifice. But yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and get into this video. So currently the markets, most of y'all guys may or may not know. You might know if you are watching this channel. You kind of keep up with what's going on in the world. But yeah, so the average mortgage rate for a 30-year note is about 7 point something percent, 7 to 8% interest rate, which is extremely high. For me, I purchased some of the properties that I bought. I haven't bought any property since the interest rates just started shooting up. But back then, about a year or two ago, I bought them with about 2% interest rates. So it's a huge difference. You're adding, a couple $100s to my mortgage payment if I was to get that same property today. So it makes a huge difference for the real estate market. If you're a seller, it makes a huge difference. You're not going to get as many showings. You're not going to get as many offers. And people are going to try to knock your price down because most people can't afford this. Same thing with vehicles. I saw on another one, more or less, it was about 10% interest for fair credit, good credit. And then if you had bad credit or fair to bad credit, it was about 15% interest. So it's huge differences from where it was a year or two ago. And this is affecting the markets. Of course, the stock markets and all that. And then, of course, to borrow money, it's more expensive, not only with vehicle loans and mortgage loans, but personal loans and everything else as well. But we're going to talk to you about today, how can you profit from this? How can you make the most out of this? So the first thing that comes to my mind is they're increasing interest rates. So that means the banks are going to start paying you more. I have noticed on some of my bank accounts, my interest rates have gone up about a point, if not 2 points, since they started hiking the interest rates. So right now we're sitting at 2.75 in some of my bank accounts. I know PayPal has a savings account. They're paying 2.75%. Sofi, which is my favorite bank that I currently use right now, link will be down in the description. If you sign up, you get up to $325 deposited into your account just for signing up and depositing, I think, like $100 or $10 into your account. So not bad. But yeah, so they just increased theirs to 2.5%. So, I mean, this is easy money. You just throw your money into your savings account, you do nothing, and it's going to continue to pay you. As long as the interest rates are still high, you can profit from it in this way. I mean, technically, if you want to get technical, you're not really profiting from it because inflation is just so high that it's eating away those profits. But it's better than having your money sitting in an account where you're earning 0.01% or 0.1%. I mean, it's better than that. So if you have an account with another institution earning 0.1%, you're better off just putting it into like a Sofi account, PayPal savings account, and earning at least 2.5, 2.75%. It's better than nothing, and it's better than what you're earning, right? Some of you guys may be aware about this already because I did put out a video on my channel a few months back. But if this is your first time watching it, then yeah. The next thing is going to be, so the markets are down. The stock market, the crypto markets, all these are down. I'm a huge fan of crypto. I believe in crypto. I think it is a future. I do believe in the software and the technology behind crypto. I do believe in stocks. Stocks have traditionally always returned positive gains over the long term. If you are a short-term trader, maybe not, but long-term investors have always seen positive returns. Right now the markets are down. It's a good time to be buying. People are scared. People are not putting their money into investing. They're kind of just hodling their money. This is the time when you want to be putting your money in there because in 2-3 years down the road, this is really going to be rewarding you handsomely once things return to quote-unquote normal. And once interest rates start coming back down as well. We had a tremendous amount of money come into the economy due to the stimulus checks and things like that. So of course, what's going to happen is inflation, which is what we're seeing right now. Things are just getting out of hand for everybody. Also, bond yields. There are a couple other apps out there like Worthy Bonds. I'll put it all down in the description, but they will pay you 5% interest for just putting your money in there. These are simple ways that you can use to your advantage to make passive income during these hard times. There's going to be a lot of millionaires made after this year because a lot of smart people are putting their money away into investing. Those who are putting it into investing, they're going to be paid very, very handsomely in the next couple of years. And there's going to be a huge shift in the finances of those individuals. So those people who are investing and putting the money away are going to be paid very, very handsomely here in the next 2-3 years because most people aren't investing. So there's going to be a huge shift of money going towards those people who planned it out accordingly right now. You'll see that in the next couple of years. Hopefully you are one of those. So one thing that just came to my mind while I was making this video, and we'll go ahead and leave it off with this one, is, interest rates are high. If you take out a loan from a bank, it's going to be a high interest rate. If you go and get a mortgage or you get a vehicle loan, boat loan, personal loan, all this is going to be high. But if you already have deployable capital at your disposal, you can start doing private lending. You can even start lending out money to friends that you trust. Of course, get your contracts in place. I know a couple people who do this on the side. Lending out your money right now, because interest rates are high and some people may not have the most optimal credit to receive the best interest rates, it puts you in a good position to capitalize on that and maybe make out a loan to somebody, say $1,000. You charge them, say 10%, and you be getting paid that 10% interest on your $1,000. Again, do it at your discretion. This isn't all financial advice. This is just things that I have thought of, things that I am currently doing, and I'm passing them along to you. So hopefully you can profit during this, downturn of the economy. But yeah, guys, I hope I gave y'all some good information on what's going on in the markets, some good ways to profit while the markets are down, and just things to look forward to. Without further ado, guys, I appreciate you guys watching. Until next time, we'll see you later. Be careful, be good, take care, and God bless. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.